Your dad's in the movie, too.
Yes, he is.
Which is nice.
Really
the movie's
nice.
very funny.
Thank you.
Yeah, it is. It's
Thank
all in
you.
Spanish for
Yes.
those who don't know.
Yes.
How is Will Ferrell Spanish, in your opinion?
Really?
Yeah.
Incredible. I'm serious.
You
It's
mean it in a
incredible.
literal way? Incredible? Like hard to believe?
Yeah, it's hard to believe because he's really, really, really great at it. And he nailed the Mexican cadence, which was like the hardest thing on the planet. I'm Cuban Venezuelan, so I have an accent myself.
Oh, so you had to adjust for it.
I had to adjust for it, and I couldn't imagine this gringo just doing this and pulling this off. It was incredible.
On these telenovelas you worked with, was it really like 18 hours a day?
18 hours a day, 6 days a
Why?
week.
6 days a week?
This is the thing. They had to control the rating. So if we had like a very passionate, embrace, 2 days later I would hate the guy because the audience doesn't like us together. So,
oh, really?
Yeah, you go blind and then you recuperate your vision and all this crazy situations. I mean, I've had incredible training here.
So they would kind of test what the audience liked and what they didn't like after the show had already aired?
Yeah, you get what you want. It's a very democratic way of seeing
I guess
television.
so, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
And so then they're writing at the last minute, the show.
Yes. And by the way, you have to learn the lines because if you don't, you will be killed off. And
really?
The writers were so sensitive about it. They were like, if you don't say your lines, we're just going to kill you.
Really?
Yeah.
And would they really do that?
Yeah.
They...
I know a lot of guys that got killed, yeah.
Okay, so you're on these things at 15 years old.
Yeah.
And your family are they enthusiastic about this? Do they want you to do this?
Oh, no. I mean, my mother said I should have been something special, like a lawyer or the president. But, I mean, I don't know. I don't know what happens
Is
here.
she disappointed now?
She's extremely disappointed.
She is,
and
for
she's
real?
like, I'm dragging her along to all this, and she's like, why am I here?
Because she had enough of this with El Primo.
Yeah, she already lived it once, and now she's living it again, and it's just like, it's so tedious, and poor thing, I'm just abusing of her right now.
Do you have siblings?
I don't. I mean,
Okay.
I have 2 half-sisters, but we don't, but it's just me and my mom.
It's just you and your mom.
Yeah.
And she's disappointed. Well, she needs to get over it, is what needs to
Get over
happen.
it, Carol. Will ya?
Maybe you shouldn't be calling her Carol. You should stick with Mom.
No, it's Carol. It's Carol.
She wants to be called
Yeah,
Carol?
because she had me very young, so it was like this really hot chick with like a little kid, and she was very self-conscious about it, so it was always Carol.
Is she in show business also?
No, I mean, she tried modeling a bit, but then she realized, she liked to eat, so...
Oh, really? Guillermo likes that when he's nodding over there.
I like to eat too, Guillermo.
Would you just... Oh, you know what I wanted to ask you about? You worked with our former governor, I understand.
I did.
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yes, I did.
Could you understand anything he said?
Everything is funnier in an Austrian accent. Like, everything. The first day I met him, it was like, sit down. And then I was like, okay. Get lunch. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to get some lunch. I'm really hungry right now. And I just sat down and I just started listening to him. And I'm eating. And he starts saying the greatest stories. And I punched Arnold.
Why?
Like,
He tried to
didn't even
impregnate you.
flinch.
Did he?
Listen, let me tell you something.
Yeah, please, go ahead.
He was Mr. Universe.
I know, yeah.
He was the Terminator, and he was the governor. He clearly knows things that we don't. We have to learn things from Arnold.
Yeah, well,
We really do. We just
there are a couple of things we've definitely learned.
Hell.
And so you're in a movie with him?
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty good, huh?
I know,
Is this
good
coming
things.
out soon, this movie that you
It's
did?
coming out next year. So you'll have me back, I guess.
Yeah,
And
you end up being called Carol. Well, it's very nice to meet you. Go see the movie. It's very funny and very interesting, too. It's called Casa de mi Padre. It opens tomorrow. Genesis Rodriguez.